In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a floating header in Squarespace. We'll start right inside your Squarespace site. Open your website and sign in so you're looking at the site dashboard or a page on your site. If you're already previewing a page, that's perfect. The goal is to get into editing mode so we can change how the header behaves as visitors scroll. A floating or sticky header keeps your navigation and logo visible at the top, which improves usability and helps visitors move around your site faster. Next, enter editing mode by clicking Edit. This puts the page into a state where you can interact with sections and design controls. You should see editable regions highlight as you hover. If Edit isn't visible, make sure you're not in a protected preview or logged out. Once you're in Edit, you're ready to work directly with the site's header. Hover over the top of your page and choose Edit Site Header. This opens the Header Controls panel. From here, you can customize the header's layout, elements like your logo and navigation, and, most importantly for today, its behavior when you scroll. If your site uses a different template family, the panel may look slightly different, but the header editor is always accessible from this area. Open the design options by selecting Edit Design. The Design tab is where Squarespace centralizes controls for spacing, style, and sticky behavior. You'll likely see options for header style, height, and scroll effects. Remember, we're not redesigning the entire header today. We're just enabling the setting that makes it float as users move down the page. Now, click the option that's highlighted for sticky behavior. In many templates, this appears as a toggle for keeping the header fixed on scroll, sometimes labeled sticky or fixed position. If you see a highlight or emphasis around that control, that's the one to turn on. Once enabled, your header will remain pinned to the top as visitors scroll. This is a great time to keep the header height modest so it doesn't cover too much content and to ensure your logo scales nicely. Click Save to apply your changes. Saving locks in the behavior across your site, so the floating header works consistently on every page that uses this header. After saving, test a quick scroll on a long page to confirm the header stays in place smoothly. If anything looks off, you can always reopen the header editor and adjust spacing. Finally, click Exit to leave editing mode and return to your site view. Give your page a refresh and scroll again to double-check the result. That's it. Your Squarespace header now floats, keeping navigation front